What's up, guys? This is Techno Viking 23, and I'd like to wish you a happy new year. We are here in wild and wonderful West Virginia once again for New Year's. We spent last night at the quaint little Quality Inn here in Weston, just off US 33. It's pretty early this morning, a little bit rainy, kind of cold, but we are heading to Canaan Valley to get some skiing in this week. I'm actually meeting my buddy for New Year's today in Canaan. We're gonna rip it up today and then probably hit up Timberline tomorrow. And who knows what else we're gonna get into on this trip. We're up here in the mid-Atlantic for a couple of days, so gonna try to get some skiing in. Weather should be perfect for it. There's actually a pretty big winter storm that's supposed to move into the Canaan Valley area later today. I saw anywhere from 5 to 10 inches possible, and it's going to be moving out tomorrow afternoon, so it's going to be there. We'll be there before it hits and after it's cleared out, so it's going to be nice to hopefully get some fresh powder to ski for New Year's just like we had last year. Later in the week, I'm not quite sure what we're going to do. We might try to hit up Seven Springs over the weekend. I'm probably going to have to get out of here on Sunday because it looks like there's another big winter storm moving in, and I got to be back at work early next week. So we may try to sneak in a trip in North Carolina somewhere on Monday on the way home. Not quite sure yet, but let's go ahead and get on the road. We're going to get over to Canaan and see what's going on, and hopefully we'll be ripping some turns today. Alright guys, well, we made it to Canaan Valley. It was a pretty rough drive up. A lot of the roads coming over the mountains were not treated or plowed, so we had a little bit of a dicey time getting in here. Waiting on my buddy to get here. I think he's still 30 minutes away or so. I'm not sure how the weather is coming through on the Maryland side where he's coming in from, but coming in from Elkins was pretty dicey, so I'm imagining he's having the same issue. Winter storm warning is now in full effect here. They're expecting 5 to 10 inches of snow today through tomorrow morning. Wind is howling like 30 miles an hour. I'm kind of just camped out in the car right now. I'm probably going to go in the lodge here and actually add a couple layers. I'm not sure how good the skiing is going to be today with the wind blowing up the hill like that. It's going to be probably tough for them to keep the lift open all day, and the visibility right now is pretty low. So we're going to try to film what we can. Not quite sure what we're going to get out of today. I wish the wind would die down and then it would actually just start kind of dumping the snow instead of just blowing the snow like it is right now. But we're here, we're in the mountains, we're about to get on the hill, so pretty excited. It's the new year, and let's get out there and see what they got. Oh.